Oplan Horus versus Duterte Tactics, nag-leak. Ang dokumento nga na nag-leak ay may pinamagatang Mid-Election Campaign Sprint Action Plan na tila isang plano para siraan ang kanilang kalaban, ang mga Duterte. Ano nga ba ang nilalaman nito? Mid-Election Final Campaign Sprint Action Plan. Naka-CMD meeting Tuesday, April 22, 2025. Meeting schedule: 1. Arrival of participants. 2. Opening remark. 3. Message of commitment. 4. Closed-door meeting reaction planning. Oplan Horus. As the leader of Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas, PBBM continues to be attacked and smeared by Duterte's evil forces. His kindness and tolerance should not be exploited by the opponents, and his reign shall defend by every beneficiary of the Alyansa. According to the President's instructions, CMD will continue to advance the Oplan Horus as a staunch ally to maintain the Alyansa's advantage post-midterm election. What we've accomplished. 1 year after the Oplan Horus formulated, the Alyansa has made encouraging progress. We have greatly weakened Duterte's evil force, according to the Oplan Horus. With the optimistic midterm election situation, we are confident that Duterte will not be able to challenge the PBBM's leadership before 2028. We have accomplished how to defend. 1. Set up a core campaign team to include SP Martin, President Tomayo, Kong Toby, and Kong AG, etc. 2. Aligned with more parties. Ensure the centrality of PFP while aligned with Lakas, LUP, Nacionalista, and NPC, etc. 3. Endorsed VIP candidates: Kong Erwin Tulfo, Ping Lacson, Senator Manny Pacquiao, Senator Bong Revilla, Senator Lito Lapid, Mayor Abby Binay, etc. 4. Raised campaign funds. Congressman Zaldico prepared 8 billion pesos budget to cover rallies and logistics as well as cash and propaganda fees. 5. Used policy tools like exemption of rice tariffs and improvement of uniformed personnel's remuneration packages. 6. Information campaign. Reactive social network established during 2022 national election and absorbed more social media influencers. How to attack. 1. ICC arrest plan. PNP, PEDA, HRC. Congress worked with Senator Trillanes for ICC investigation to obtain arrest warrant for Duterte and successfully arrested and transferred him. 2. Domestic investigation. The House, Department of Justice, NBI, COA, AMLC's ongoing investigation on the RUGR and CF cases. 3. Launched impeachment. The House launched and passed the impeachment complaint against Sara in the support of soft budget, AIGS, AKAP, TUPAD. 4. Weakened the Duterte Alliance. The action plan against Kibuloy and his Kingdom of Jesus Christ is completed. Therefore, squeezed Duterte's campaign funds. 5.